my name is Joyce Rathina Bai. I am from Bangalore. I have cracked my OET recently by God's grace. I was online student in Tiju's academy. I would like to thank Tiju sir, Deepthi ma'am, and my personal trainer and all family members of Tiju's academy. Thank you once again. Without your support, it would have not been possible. I would like to mention that unlimited hours, Tiju sir's grammar classes, Deepthi ma'am's writing sessions and other live classes and recorded sessions was really helpful. Equal attention to all four modules in online coaching is only possible in Tiju's academy. Personally, which I felt, personal trainers are very friendly and approachable at our convenient time. Mock tests were conducted which were exam oriented, where I was able to correct my mistakes. Finally, what I believe is hardworking, dedication, family blessings, and Tiju sir prayer is very essential if you are planning to start your OET coaching. So, no second thought, just join Tiju's Academy right now. Thank you very much.